As you can see, I went ahead and added kibble, just a half a cup. So a third of a pound. I think that'll be about right. You know, she eat a lot. It's real mushy and watery, so the kids will be able to lick around. This is my first time out here today. If you see any stew, cause I feed my dogs before I clean stool up, they waste. And look at him. Oh, look, she already going in and out. Trying to, she already went out. They eating up good. Look at her, fat ass. I don't know. Oh, she used that damn brick over here. I gotta move that little motherfucker. See how smart she is. Help you out. But stop trying to sneak out. Get in there. You need to play with this a while, lick on it, and get some of the natural fats from the juice. They just pudgy, like they ain't thick at all. They just pudgy here. They get to eat a lot. They tan her ass, so they sucking her dry. They sucking her dry. I like my pups to be here for a while with the mama. The mama have pretty good style, so they inherit that. The longer they with the mother, they get to raise and teach. You know what I'm saying? Dogs that you take away from the mother too young, I think, they be more human aggressive and straightforward. They don't listen, but you know what I'm saying? Besides to you, they very hard-headed. But they, on the flip side, they is eager to please, and more eager than anything. She was thirsty as hell. Like they had to just get finished sucking the titty, cause they plump in the mother. All them goddamn look like they need the shit. Well, this is how I fed today. This is what I did. And that's a half a cup of kibble with beans and pork. The mama enjoying it. The puppies enjoyed it. They got real protein from real meat, real protein from real vegetables. So, but this will get them gas. feed us to an outside dog. Just like pedigree, complete. It got them green beans in it. Not green bean, but peas in it. And it give the dog gas. Just the same thing. But nothing wrong with feeding your dog beans, man. A bag of beans is $1. You can cut your feed in half and add the bag of beans and feed your whole yard. You understand? Like the supplement of it and beans and like it don't take everybody don't have to have a leg quarter. You know what I'm saying, on a day like this. You know what I'm saying? If I'm just speaking to my kibble feeders. You know what I'm saying? If you don't feed kibble, you feed straight raw, you good luck. You know what I'm saying? To all who can afford to feed straight raw. You know what I'm saying? But most of us, you know what I'm saying, 9 out of every 10, probably 11 out of, I'm gonna say 19 out of every 20 dog owner feed kibble. So this for y'all, the majority. This good, cheap, inexpensive feed that anybody can do. Only thing you gotta know how to do is cook beans. And if you don't know, this I'm gonna tell you how. Take a bag of beans, pour it in a pot at least 3 times, at least 4 times higher than the beans is. You fill warm water. I try to fill hot water twice the size over. Like the beans one level, water be halfway. Let it soak overnight. Just the easiest way now. Just that country boy shit. I can really cook like the average grandmama. You let that shit soak. You put 1 teaspoon of salt. It don't matter what kind of beans. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper. That's it. Let it sit overnight. When you wake up in the morning or whatever, like that Sunday, because usually beans come in on, cook it on Sunday, you feed it to the dogs on Monday. See what I'm saying? You cook it on maybe 4 on the eye, put it on 4 for 4 hours. You put some type of meat in it though. Ham hock, fat back, pig jaws, pork in the can, some type of fat you want in there, ham bone. You know what I'm saying? We in the South, we put pork in ours, but you can put any type of meat fat in there. You want it just gives it that thickness, and that's it. You have best beans in. If you're up north, you have the best beans in the world. I'm trying to tell you, these dogs just ate a meal that anybody would have motherfucking ate without the kibble. What you doing, little fella? What you doing? It's chilly out here, ain't it? She ate all that shit. I told her she could fucking go. You have to stop her. Well, alright, fellas. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Like, share, subscribe. And the goddamn feed the rest of the yard. Clean up. And it's rainy today, so hope a lot of y'all post videos. I'm be watching all day today. Be easy. I'm out. Big Kennels.